Aishwarya-inspired classic glam makeup. First, I'm going to start by applying color corrector in the shade Light Peach on my inner eye corners and wherever I need color correction. I'm going to follow it up by using Huda Beauty Faux Filter concealer in the shade Sugar Biscuit, and I'm going to buff it out. The shade of the color corrector that I used was Light Peach, and it was also from Huda Beauty. I like to set these products using a little bit of Huda Beauty Loose Baby Bake pressed powder in the shade Pound Cake. For this look, I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette, and I'm going to start with the shade Rise Up. I'm going to apply it above my crease and all the way up to my brow bone. Now I'm going to take the shade Love Anarchy and apply it above my crease area, and I'm just going to deepen the area and blend it very well with the transition shade that I had previously applied. Next up is the shade Hope. It is a deep brown shade, and I'm going to use it right above where my crease would be. This one was a little hard to blend, so I took a long time blending. Applying the shade Freedom to both of my lids, and then blending it well with the other shades that I had previously applied. I didn't feel like Freedom was light enough, so I'm applying the shade Heroine all over my lids as well on top of the shade Freedom to make the next shade pop. This next shade is a shimmer shade, and it is called Stand Up. I'm applying it with my fingers on both of my lids. Going back in with the shade Love Anarchy and adding some dimension underneath my lash line. I felt like I needed a little bit more sparkle, so I'm using the shade Maverick, and I'm applying it over the shimmer shade that I previously applied. Taking NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black and creating a wing with it. Using L'Oreal Carbon Black Infallible Never Fail Eyeliner to underline my waterline. Now I'm taking the shade Stand Up again and using it on my inner corners and underneath my lash line. L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara is one of my new recent favorite mascaras. It actually lifts and separates my lashes, and I really love the effect. Also provides a great base for false eyelashes. For foundation, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard. This is my new favorite foundation, and I wear it often. Contouring with Rare Beauty Liquid Contour in the shade Solace and applying it to the areas where I feel like I need contouring, and I'm going to blend upwards, as well as in a figure 3 form. Huda Beauty Peach Blush on my cheekbones, and MAC Diva lipstick to finish off the look. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you love makeup, and I will see you next time.